Hi, I'm Charlie Riddle, Head of Artistry for Stila Cosmetics, and we want to welcome you to the Stila Bohemian Renaissance collection. Introducing Trifecta Metallica. This creamy, shimmering stick for lips, eyes, and cheeks is the perfect product to metallize any look. Apply Trifecta Metallica all over lids and blend out. You can use your fingers or a brush, whichever you prefer. Next, we're going to apply the same shade to the lower lash line, wrapping around the eye to create a sultry, smoky look. Deepen the outer corners of the eyes to add the perfect multi-metallic dimension. I'm using our Stale Day waterproof liquid eyeliner in intense black to create a bold cat eye. Line the top and the bottom and connect. Add a pop of color to the cheeks with Trifecta Metallica. Tap onto the apples of the cheek and blend out. You can use a brush or fingertips. Complete this bold, monochromatic look by adding the same shade to the lips. You can use a lip brush for a more defined look. Finish with a coat of Stila Plumping Lip Glaze. Thanks for watching. Excited to see what you guys create.